This is a gimbal. For tech noobs like me, it's a camera stabilizing device. Now I bought it to surprise you with some silky smooth footage of the good stuff that brings you here to my channel. Instead, this is what you get. Jesus, what the... Ah, come on man, this is ridiculous. Not exactly my idea of stabilized footage. What the Hello everybody, Jeffrey McAvoy here, welcome back. Something a little different this week as I don't usually shoot tech videos. I work on classic cars and radio control cars, for crying out loud. I'm just hoping that this video will help anybody who, like me, will have shelled out a little under $200 to up their video shooting game and instead end up with this useless piece of kit. This useless piece of kit. So, after finding out that this thing is trying to kill me straight out of the box, I went in search of some information and found little to none. I went to the manufacturer's website, into their FAQ section, and found that it is void of any relevant information. It is in fact void of any information at all, for that matter. I did, however, find out that there is another model of the range of the same manufacturer who is affected by the same unfortunate behavior, shall we say. This is not a sponsored video. But it could be one of two things. There might be a loose cable inside here, or the gimbal itself might need a reprogramming at the factory by somebody somewhere. I could just introduce a warranty claim with the company whom I bought it from, but then I would have to pack this thing up, go to the post office, pay for postage, get a receipt, introduce the claim, wait until next week sometime, and hopefully, fingers crossed, get a usable unit in return. I don't have time for that shit, man. So let's take it apart, shall we? I mean, what can go wrong? I'll lose my warranty claim and $200. The story of my life. Man, the things I do for you, my dear subscribers. Let's get cracking, shall we? Okay, first things first. Take this battery out. There is a whole bundle of cables right here, which doesn't look right. Looks kind of weird to me. Just have a gimbal I bought. I unboxed it yesterday and then that shit happened to me. So what am I supposed to do with this? Huh? There's a frayed wire right here. There it is. More on that in another video. I'm going to test continuity of the cables to make sure that they are continuous, so to speak. This is going to be a pain in the ass. That's good, we have resistance. So now I know for sure that this cable strip is good. There's no false contact with this thing. Shit, am I going to be able to put this thing back together? We'll see. Okay, so this cable is good as well. Okay, man, what the hell am I doing? This is such a pain in the ass, man. Should have just sent this thing back. Damn it. Nope. Okay, calm yourself, calm yourself. Whoa, okay. How the f did this thing get quality check passed, man? Here goes my warranty claim. And it's not doing anything anymore at all. Okay, I'll call that some improvement. Let me work some more on that. So after spending way too much time messing around trying to fix this thing, this is what it does. Do it again. Turn it on. Oh, there you go, it twitched, and that's as good as it gets. That's all for today, folks. Thank you all so much for watching. I am now without a gimbal and down $200. That's life, you know. I was ready to take the risk for you guys, so I didn't find what was wrong with it. Probably I probably should have introduced the claim, but there you have it. And it's getting awfully warm. Okay, this thing is getting out of my house and into the dumpster. Catch you in the next video.